Oh. Hey guys, Fine Tune Gaming here, and today I am doing another episode of Redstoner, and today I'll be teaching you about one of my biggest creations. I won't be actually teaching you how to make this. I'm sorry, but it's really complicated, and I'm actually very excited to share with you guys. Some of you guys actually may have heard of this type of build. Some people call it a vending machine. In the last episode, and at the end, I was telling you guys about a sneak peek. And, yeah, I guess I can show it to you guys. So, it's right here. Yep. This is it. And the way to activate this, you need a token. A token is it's a minecart. So, let's say that I want some mushroom meat. But I only found one. Aw, man, I wish I had some more. Bam! But this, you can get mushroom meat. Now, let me just insert my token. See, I put in mushrooms and beef. Please wait for food. Look at that! Beef! And... oh, that's amazing! What the hell? They're mobs here. Isn't that amazing? So, just to prove that it works with other stuff, how about I just want regular beef, okay? Give me some of that beef, though. Give me some of that beef. Please wait for food. As you can see, this little razor. Oh, look, beef! Amazing! I didn't have to kill anything. This razor did. Now, what if I want some, chicken? I want my chicken. I want my chicken. Where's my chicken? So I'm gonna show you guys how this works. I didn't get my chicken, that's sad. Well, bam. This is really, that's why I didn't get any chickens. Okay. Let's try again. So I want some chicken. Let me get my chicken. Please wait for food. You're getting chicken? Well, I heard the chicken dying. Well, you see, this is really complicated. Well, just by looking at it and pausing the video, you could probably build it yourself, which is why I'm not. Because I'm not gonna replicate this entire thing. No, it's really hard. But anyways, as you can see here, we have the chicken. I just did a crit on him. Because these things spawn. And then the minecart, the token that you send in, will come up. And it will carry one of the chickens around right to, oh, lag, right to this. Okay, I was gonna use the cat as an example. Right here, which will destroy the minecart, also killing the chicken. And once the chicken's killed, it will drop all their stuff right here. Yep. I actually came up with that. Now, you must be thinking, fine-tuned gaming. People already do this, but no, they actually don't. Well, the entire vending machine concept is actually, people do that, but the concept that I'm talking about is the item dropping, because usually people just like send the animal still on the minecart back to the person, which is more complicated. I actually have them drop the items. I'm actually kind of quite proud I invented that, and now I'm sharing it with you guys. So I patented this. I call it the mob grinder. Well, that's not original. Someone already made. Okay, I'm gonna call it the Mob-aroony-grinder. That's perfect. Cough. So yeah. So you know, chickens go like all the way over here, and then they're gonna go up. Then they're still gonna go up, and yeah. I also have other mobs too, because originally when I made this, it was only supposed to be for one mob. Oh. Well, this should get me free meat. And you can actually also do this with mobs too, but I highly suggest you don't. You don't do it with creepers, because skeletons and zombies, they won't die because of this, but then you can just like stand here and murder them. Thank you. But creepers won't work. Since they won't die, if you get close, they're gonna blow up the entire thing. You have to rebuild it. I know. Sad. So originally it was only supposed to hold one mob. And it was cows, because cows, give like steak or something like that. But then I decided to improvise it, and now I have 3. So yeah, I guess that's today's build. So you probably paused the video somewhere and saw it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please leave a